Hey guys, this is Dr. Naeem. Assalamu alaikum. Being a career consultant, I'm receiving the same questions again and again from all the graduates, doctors, nursing staff, and consultant specialists as well. So I thought it would be better to record a video message, and basically this will be a video series. The first one I'm going to record is for the general physicians. All the general physicians who are trying to get enrolled into the Middle East, especially, I'll discuss about the process of Saudi Arabia and Oman. So I hope after watching this video clip, you all will have a clear concept of doing the process for these two countries. Now let's talk about the process of a general physician for Saudi Arabia. General physicians, all general physician needs to have at least 2 years of experience after graduation, and that experience must be as a general physician. When you are having that experience, or more than 2 years, then you need to just start your process by doing the local, your own country attestations. For example, if you are from Pakistan, you can just go to the Higher Education Commission of Pakistan, or you can go through their website and just book an appointment for your attestations. And when you will attest your degrees from the Higher Education Commission, or then you can go to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs for further attestations. And when you are done with it, then after that, you can start your process for the Dataflow. Dataflow is basically a primary source verification for your documents, and they're verifying your documents and your experience certificates you provided from your country. They will charge the fee, they will do the verification. If your verification and the information provided in those academic documents, if they are true, they are correct, they will give you a green signal. After getting the green signal, this will take about 4 to 6 weeks normally. Then what next step you do is you make an account with the Mamaris Plus. Mamaris Plus, basically this is an account you have to make before to get the eligibility for the exam. You will have to pay the initial fee of 200 Riyal in the Mamaris account, and after that, if you are a general physician, you will need to pay the next fee. That is, I think, I'm not sure, maybe 900 or 1100 Riyal. It's already mentioned on the website. You can go there and search for it. When you will do these payments, then you will get an eligibility number. This eligibility number will be valid for 1 year. In this 1 year time frame, you will be allowed to sit in the respective exam, and you have 3 attempts per year before this eligibility expires. You can have the chance to clear your exam. After you cleared your exam, the next step is you are having your offer letter from the concerned hospital or any company to work with them as a general physician. You will get the attested offer letter from Saudi Arabia. And by taking that attested offer letter with your all documents and through an agent to submit it in the embassy for culture and embassy attestations, when you are done with the culture and embassy attestation, the next step is your visa processing and protector. And when you are done with it, that's just the complete process, and you can join your duty place as a general practitioner. Now, if you are doing the same process for Oman, it's the steps are the same, but the very important thing is there is no any concept of Mamaris Plus, or doing the classification. You will done with the prometric exam after your data flow. You can even sit in the exam before doing your data flow for Oman, but it's like it depends on you. It's a pre-choice whether you depends on you which one you select. When you will do your data flow and sit in the exam, when you will pass the exam, then you have to get an offer from the any clinic hospital in Oman, and when they will provide you the offer letter, then you can apply through your hospital or through your clinic to appear in the next exam, which is the step 2 for Oman. And they will give you a date for your Viva exam. And of course, you can appear in your YY exam online through a video conference, and 2 or 3 doctors, they will interview you for the Viva. When you will done with the Viva, then you can work as a general physician in Oman. So this is the whole process for doing or getting enrolled into the Middle East, especially Saudi Arabia and Oman. If you people are having any problem, or if you people want our services, the following email you can contact us for data flow, and plus other services we can provide to you to get enrolled here as a general physicians. Make sure, do not forget, I will record videos for for those doctors who are specialists, who are consultants, and for the paramedical staff, for the nursing staff. All the doctors and nursing staff can watch the videos I will upload for the further processing. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it will help you all. Have a good day.